Hello people, Zella Rhodes here, and today I finally bought the bridle. This looks very, very weird. The word unmatching comes to mind a few times. I need more shillings. I need more shillings. By the way, I did spend all of my shillings on Valentine's Day clothes because, the Valentine's Day shop is not going to be here for that long, but the Western saddle I can always buy. Plus, I already got a Western saddle in the quests. So yeah, today we're just going to be doing quests, and those. Oh, I thought that was that person, and I was like, I don't know you. What are you doing? Okay. Just Jasper. Okay, we're gonna do both of these because speak with Jasper. That was very, very hard. And it gives me so much stuff. Take the field up to Silverglade. Oh my god, I have to go all the way to Silverglade. Yes, but I still haven't checked out the wolves. Yeah, we're hanging out here in this place. I can't wait till I get races in Mistfall. Mistfall is such a boring place right now. Literally, there's no races and I never go there. Oh, wow. I hate how Star Stable, like everyone else, everyone else, no, like every other game and TV show and everything, is so against wolves. But they'll eat a horse, I know that much, but with a human on top of it, I don't think that they'll go after a horse. It's just a natural predator thing. We're so big, and us on a horse, if they won't attack us off of a horse, so on a big horse, they won't attack us, people. And I want people to just get this, okay? Because I'm sick and tired of every game I play being so totally against wolves. Okay, I'm just gonna do some training right now because I have some time. Happy Valentine's Day, by the way. Yesterday I didn't get to say that to you, by the way. So yeah, I'm a day late. But yeah. That's because I was busy making my I'll Be There challenge video. And honestly, I watched it. The quality is so sad. It just is. It's so sad. First of all, there's that stupid thing in the corner, which I don't get why. It only happens with Star Stable. Yeah. And then there's the music. You can hardly hear it, so you basically have to watch, that music video on your computer so that the screen can be a bit bigger, and then also as well listen to the song on your phone or something, and it just does not work. So yeah, I didn't do that so that I could win it. I know that I won't because people have way better quality than me. I really want to see who wins. But yeah, I did not do it for the winnings. I don't even know what you win. If you win star coins, then that would kind of suck, but I don't think you do. And by the way, guys, tomorrow we get to buy our little pony, and I am so hyped. I am going, it is just so amazing. I've wanted this pony for a long time. I'll finally be able to do that stupid quest that I haven't been able to do, and then I'll be able to go on the pony race, and I'll be able to have that pony, and it'll be so cute. And plus, the Canamera is extremely fast. Oh, what was that? Some of these races, Jasper the robot, are just not the best. The funny thing is that Jasper actually never moved. The robot never moved from Fort Pinta here, so I wonder if Jasper is like still in Fort Pinta, just sitting there like a two-dimensional person. Oh my god. That would be kind of epic, but also kind of weird. I would be like, Star Stable, are you okay? Are you okay? Okay? Having a rough day? Oh my god. I really am good at not jumping. Today, I can't jump. Today, it's impossible for me to not hit the rail when I jump. It's physically impossible, okay? Oh god, here's that stupid sharp turn. Oh yeah. And I always make it. See, that was very lucky. That was close. Ah! Okay, I saw that arrow there and I was like, what? I can't wait till we fix that stupid trailer because it's really annoying to just look at it and be like, yeah, hi, my name's Jeff. Nice to meet you. Oh my, don't even question it. What have I, oh right, wait. Oh my god, I need to check something quick. Close. Oh god, I hurt Wish Brother so much. I'm sorry, boy. You're a robot. You're a pixel wars. Just ignore it. Okay. Oh. Golden leaves. Okay. Jarlaham, Yorvik City, Yorvik Rangers, Mistfall Station, Yorvik Stubada. Huh. Let's just say tomorrow I might be getting another race. Oof. Okay. I thought I'd bring you guys here to a quest. 1 second. Be right back. Yeah. Okay. That's her. Later. Sure. Okay. Jordan. Okay. Bye. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm back. I don't even know if you could hear any of that. Okay, let's go. I just really love my Valentine's Day outfit. And by the way, Star Stable, very nice job with those roses. I think that the outfit, pretty soon, maybe even today, I might be making a video where I review the outfit and just talk about it. I've got a few things to say about it, like, oof. Like my first question is, why isn't it pink or purple or red? Like, it's such a weird, dull color. It's just weird. Oh my. Why does everybody just group me? Okay? Ask me. Oh, Jeff? No, that's not Jasmine, I know. Hi? Question mark? You're on YouTube. Smiley face. Oh my. Question mark. That's what I would be. How? Oof. I'm recording. How? How do you think? How do you think? Oof. ... Well, to be honest, it's your fault when you just group somebody. Hi, YouTube. Write it in the comments below. Hashtag hi. I can't see that name. Julie? Oh, probably from. Yeah, Jamie. Hashtag hi, Jamie, in the comments below. LOL. I told them to do a hashtag hi, Jamie. Hashtag hi. So yeah, comments below, people. Hashtag hi, Jamie. Fill the can with diesel from the tank beside the equestrian center. I really hate how there's all these. Oh, what? Why did she leave the group? Did she unfriend me too? I don't really care, but question mark? You don't just invite somebody to group people and then just ditch them there. Like, hello, hi, yes, my name is Ella Rhodes, and yeah, I make YouTube. Oh, well, I'm gonna ditch you. Well, bye, it was nice having you. Okay, that was really, really weird. I hope she does not unfriend me. I wonder if she'll subscribe. I wonder if she even saw the hashtag hi, Julie. BRB. Oof. Okay, so sorry. I'm back. Okay, I'm just gonna mail her later. And ask her what on earth was that. I wonder if you can write Earth. I wonder if it'll just tag out. I find that so funny. Like, Steve's Farm is such a popular place. I think I can understand why. Like, it's pretty awesome here. By the way, Stress Table, good job on the decorations. I love them. And my water is, like, enchanted because I filled it up in one of the enchanted wells. So, yeah, my horses might be enchanted. Great. Now we need to ride all the way to the place. Yes, I really need to ask her or him what the heck that group was. Oh my god, I can sing way better than that. I don't think I was even doing anything. This video was really weird. It was just randomness. That's what I'm gonna name it. The video's name is Randomness. Ooh. Oh, wow. By the way, Sarah, I know you're never going to watch my channel, probably. But yeah, guys, see you guys next time. Sarah, delete a friend so I